Welcome to another review by the Review Baron. Today, coming from my lovely garage, we're going to be talking about the third brake light removal from an Audi A4. 2011 is what I did it on it, and I actually used this instructional video from the Window Tinting Business School. So I just wanted to share this and kind of share my experience with it.
Guys, this is an Audi A4 2009 to 2016.
So this space is actually
the
pretty
model.
cramped back here. My knees
For
got sore
those of you guys
doing
that
this.
don't like to cut the film around the third brake light, maybe this is going to be helpful.
And I didn't know
Usually what I try to do is you get the headliner to give in a little bit. Don't do it too much because you could cause some damage.
I was using a similar to like the little crowbar thing. I was kind of scared, like he's like, don't go too hard, but it felt like I was pulling down the headliner, but it was working.
Then I get a flat and wide tool like this, and I go right in the middle. And I pull that way, okay? You saw how easy it is to come off. Now this side over here, because it's out yanked like this, might be a little hard to come off, so just bring it back a little bit, somewhat level, and then you go on the other end
and then go one side to the next
and do the same
as I
thing.
removed it.
Sometimes it goes off pretty easy. Sometimes it's a little tight.
Mine was definitely tight,
But it goes.
so you have to just kind of keep wiggling it.
Now just undo
until you
the
finally
power cord,
get that pop off.
and now it's out of the way, okay? Now keep in mind that when you take this off, many times this little thingamajig over here gets off of place. It needs to be inside of that groove over there in order to go back in place without giving you a headache. So just make sure you put that back in place, just like this one is in place. You see how this one is? That's exactly how that one is going to have to be. So usually what I do is I just get an instrument like this. Now bring it back, and now it's back in place the way it needs to be. Okay, you can see it over there. That's all. I hope that will help you guys. Okay, bye-bye. Hey guys.
All right, and then putting it back on was pretty straightforward. I put the new one in there, first reconnected the power supply, and then lined up those two grooves and slid it in. The only issue that I've had, which I think I saw from other videos, is it didn't feel like it was a really flush fit against the back window. So when I do hit my brake light, I do get kind of a red glare across the back. But it's working. It's so much better, and I just wanted to thank this gentleman for his video. He did a good job of telling you how to take that off. So thank you for joining the Review Baron. Like and subscribe.